Here's a quick way to get the VoiceZam Player and demo buttons staged on a Squarespace site. And so we're starting with a blank Squarespace page. And what I'm going to do is put the demo buttons over here and the player over here in two columns. It's fairly simple. So it says text here. We actually hover over that. And that will bring us the widgets. And we want to search for the widget code. And there it is. Click that. So there's our widget. It says Hello World. Over here, we're going to replace that code in a moment. But first we need to create another column. So let's get rid of that. I'm going to hover over Hello World, hit the plus sign, enter code again, get our widget. And now we have Hello World on top of Hello World. So we don't want that. We don't want one up here and one up here. So the way you make a column, I didn't know this, I just learned this. You grab the hand, you move it to the right, right over this, see this little line that appears? That means create a column when I drop it there. And voila. You have Hello World here and Hello World there. I'm not sure why this is here. I'm sure we can delete it at some point, like that. Yeah. So here's our two columns. Well, let's go get the code. So I'm going to go to VoiceZam under Help, and I'm actually going to select the button script first. Here it is. All you need to do is click inside and copy. Then we'll go back to Squarespace. Click on Hello World. That brings up our code. We want to edit it. And goodbye, Hello World, and hello VoiceZam's player code. Button code. Paste. There are the buttons. Now let's go to this Hello World and click Edit. Now we'll go get the player. Under Help, player code, same thing. Click inside, copy, go back, replace this. I'm just deleting it. And then paste. And voila. Well, why does it say script disabled? I don't know. They don't show the rendering of script in the editor. But that's easy enough. We just say save. And there it is. And so it's published. And now when I play commercial, it plays commercial, narration,
rheumatoid arthritis.
audiobook,
This is from
etc., etc. That's it. This is the way to quickly get the player onto your page and start using VoiceZam. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot.